Up next, check out this gorgeous Upper Makefield new construction property brought to you by IDX Broker Reciprocity MLS. Hey, it's Joe Gansert with Realty Mark. You're watching How's the Market. Look at this gorgeous, contemporary, wide open family room, living room combination. Enormous vaulted ceiling. Super nice, and gas fireplace, very cool, with custom lighting, fantastic, goes all the way around. They opened it up nicely, this is amazing. Check this out. Hey, how's it going? It's Joe Gansert, Realty Market, watching How's the Market. Today we'll preview a new construction in Upper Makefield, and this house is a sweetheart's house. It's a cooperating broker from our bright MLS, and I pay for a service called IDX, and so I called the listing agent this morning and said, yeah, what do you think? And Mr. Bograd was very congenial. He said, sure, go right ahead. I mean, this house is a winner. It's 2 miles from where I live in Newtown. Check out these high ceilings. It's fantastic. Check out this tour. You come in, I'm going to tighten up a few little things, but you got this big living room that overlooks. Look at this. Is this gorgeous or what? Check out this counter. Look at these. Look at this. This is amazing, right? This house is new construction at its finest. It's a fantastic place. Wait till you see the rest of it. We'll do a quick tour, put together a video, but it has everything. Check out this kitchen line. Just sharp. Look at this. All the way up. Check out this. The detail in the tile. Range. Enormous lot. We'll get to that in a minute. We got some snow here in Bucks County today, but if you're thinking about moving to Bucks County or Newtown, Wrightstown, anywhere in Bucks County actually, but 32 years experience. I've been here a long time. 32 years experience. Look at this. It's majestic. It's just living room. Fantastic. You can entertain in this room. Look at the size of this. It's got to be 38 feet deep. Quite large, amazing. Down the stairs, a wine rack into an enormous, wide open, additional family room. Temperature cooled refrigerator. Upper Makefield, Bucks County. Gorgeous. Rear yard off the deck, and there's a grill out here, sink, etc. 3-acre lot. Eatery down in the lower level, covered fireplace. Sink. Pool. Fire pit. Jacuzzi. 3-acre lot. It's a winner. We're outside, so besides all this plentiful ground that is here at this property, check out this really cool, I call it a porte-cochere, but say the wrong thing. Is this gorgeous or what? The outside, it's gas fireplace, right? Propane. It's gonna have more for out here. You eat out here, you enjoy. Got an in-ground pool. Fantastic. A walkout basement from the one area. Got a heated pool. It might even be saltwater. It has a flame going on there, and it even has a hot tub right here as well. Fantastic property, enormous property line. Give me a call today. You'll be glad you did. Upper Makefield, Bucks County. Fantastic property, Upper Makefield, Bucks County. I'm Joe Gansert, Realty Mark. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Bucks County, 32 years in service, and I live up here. Anywhere in Bucks County, give me a call today. Save thousands, avoid costly mistakes. Talk to me today. I'd be glad you did.